Large windows at home really look great, but they are too big and heavy to push at all. What should we do? This heavy-duty lift-and-slide window comes specifically to solve this problem. Its core lies in this lift-and-slide hardware system, with a turn and a lift. The entire window sash rises slightly, and with a gentle push, it slides away. Press it down again, and the entire window sash drops back onto the track, securely locking and sealing in place. The entire window uses 606 OT6 ultra-high precision primary aluminum. The wall thickness is 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters. It uses Jiangyin Haida rubber seals. It comes standard with Technoform thermal insulation strips from Germany. It uses a worn customized lift-and-slide hardware system. Multi-point locking makes it safer. Steel reinforcement is applied to enhance the strength of the entire window. There are no additional dividers at the bottom, making the overall view of the window clearer and brighter. The larger the window sash, the more obvious its advantages. With just a light operation, the entire sash can be opened. Large window sashes with effortless operation are worth opening every day. To learn more about this window, follow me and leave a message in the comments section.